Imagine watching this beautiful beach sunset just a couple of steps away from your vacation rental. It's Alexandra with WTI, and one of the things I really love about the studio apartments in Playa Dorada, Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic is how comfortable and easy everything feels from the moment you walk in. This studio is located inside the Riviera del Mar complex, and honestly, it's the kind of place that makes you feel settled right away, especially if you're traveling alone or with your partner and want something simple, peaceful, and close to the beach. One of my favorite parts of this studio is the bathroom. It's beautiful, spacious, and very well lit, which makes a big difference when you're getting ready in the morning or winding down at night. I also really appreciate that there's hot water whenever you want it, and you can adjust the water pressure easily, depending on how you like your shower. Another thing I personally find super useful is the washing machine right inside the bathroom. If you're staying for more than a few days, or even just coming back from the beach, it makes life so much easier. I also really enjoy the kitchen setup here because it actually has everything I need to cook comfortably. There's a small countertop stove, a microwave, and even a NutriBullet blender, which is perfect if you want to make smoothies or quick drinks. The kitchen is stocked with things like pots, cooking spoons, plates, knives, glassware, cups, and even a garlic masher, which I thought was a nice touch. There's also coffee and sugar, plus a traditional Dominican coffee maker, which I personally love using in the mornings. The refrigerator is a really good size too. I like that I can store groceries, drinks, or leftovers without feeling limited. Right next to the kitchen, there's a dining table, which I find really useful, whether I'm eating, working, or on my laptop, or just planning what to do that day in Puerto Plata. The queen-size bed is another thing I really appreciate about the studio. It's comfortable, and after a day out in the sun or exploring Playa Dorada, it feels great to just relax there. One thing I like is being able to watch TV comfortably from bed, especially at night when I just want to unwind. There's also a very cozy balcony, which is honestly one of my favorite spots in the studio. I love stepping out there in the morning with coffee or just sitting there in the evening and enjoying the breeze. It's quiet and relaxing, the kind of space where you can really slow down and enjoy the moment. Another thing I enjoy about staying here is having access to the pool area inside Riviera del Mar. It feels private and peaceful, and there are comfortable chairs where you can sit, relax, or enjoy the sun. Sometimes it's nice to have that option when you don't feel like going far but still want to enjoy the outdoors. One of the biggest reasons I like staying here is the location. You're just a short walking distance from Playa Dorada beach, which makes it really convenient. I love being able to head to the beach without needing transportation. Just walk over whenever you feel like enjoying the ocean. Overall, what I love most about this studio in Playa Dorada, Puerto Plata, is that it has everything I need for a comfortable stay. It feels practical, cozy, and easy to live in, whether you're staying for a few days or longer. If you're looking for a Puerto Plata vacation rental that feels simple, comfortable, and close to the beach, this studio at Riviera del Mar is honestly a really nice place to stay. If you're heading this way, I definitely recommend this spot. Check out the links in the description for exclusive WTI travel discounts.